Hello, I am Derek Kofi Mabaso, a registered general nurse. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel wherever you are consuming this content from. Abusuya, your friend Mabaso Derek Kofi Mabaso. So now your first time I will have video ha. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now when you more updates. Sesia no ye ba be videos be brave about nursing. Ha no ye kasafa emra nursing forms beba. Ye kasafa kwan ye fa so fill nursing forms. Ye kire kwan ye be fa so combat nursing interview. When we pass interview we are frɛ wa mo aba school. You better show kwan be fa so sua de no selling nursing school. Enti no message so be subscribe to my channel for more updates. And then me baba kasafa registered general nursing. Ebia we applicant. O person acquire registered general nursing. A few nursing forms number. Ebi bisa me say course be na me ye no SHS met me registered general nursing. And aggregate ben so na me met me registered general nursing. I was a science student, agri students, general arts students, home economics students. We a business and as a visual art. Curriculum no amount coin say be registered general nursing. And no free and paying for. Course be a bit never be registered general nursing. And so visual art, any business there. Uni ho konya so that be registered general nursing. Registered general nursing a 3-year course. Not just a 6 semesters. We call it 3 years. Year bia no a 2 semesters. Not just a 6 semesters. Semester bia no o ma kwanya o bebe fee. Na be fee a your friend will be clinicals. And on the end of hospital. Semester bia ma kwanya be kwa akoye saa kopim say 3 years no ebe so. And no ebe boa amonya more knowledge, in-depth knowledge in nursing. And no be expose you to enema bebree. Enti no clinicals say dem kan clinicals no. Clinicals no o ma kwanya na so kwa akoye a. Enya se school no na beto akoto ba bi se koye o clinicals wa. Wo as a student nurse no na do din any hospital din be ko say e pese eha e na me koye me clinicals no na o principal anase wo school payinfo no actuality no ma actuality niema e wo say as student wo be hu no hospital no omo de amount na o de abre hospital no na ba be show clinicals na say you better take time ni akasafa courses yeah no nursing training Emma registered general nurse now subjects main kind of subjects bit is medicine anatomy man but only other video but we say ni ba chire amwate RGN nas edienti any from registered general nursing. Registered general nursing say you have much knowledge about all aspects of nursing. You have knowledge in midwifery, you have knowledge in community nursing, you have knowledge in psychiatry nursing. And you know, o 3 years now be doing. Ube school, no about 60 courses. Ube 3 years, no about 60 courses. But oh dear no. What dear now obey na and answer what dear now obey no accord details no a medicine, surgery and a pharmacology. And no now obey accord details. But aside that no they can't man acquire 60 courses no. Only because of we are general nurse now, so we have knowledge in all angles. We be about midwifery. We be kakra about psychiatry nursing. We be kakra about community nursing. Said ye beya yen fan say bia who as a general nurse what to come na obi person or one answer what can do occur man. Bet me apply sa knowledge no na what deliver baby no. Yen fan say bia what curve na bia epilepsy. Ye cause epilepsy and na ne broth no mo kind of convulsion. Ye cause epilepsy and na ne broth mo kind of convulsion and answer fit. Yen fan say bia sa de na si occur man. E kwan ben na be fa so manage no. Na che say enema na usua about psychiatry nurse no. Though we psychiatry nurse, but you have some knowledge about psychiatry nurse. And on be boa man o manage patient no. Sien fan say bia obi akono mo nsa na wanya problem bi betimi e do knowledge in psychiatry nurse no aboa sa patient no. Enti no wo as a general nurse no usua all angle into be we no na wo you do. You know something about midwifery, you know something about community nursing, you know something about psychiatry nursing. Tia no boa e ma mo ye do so the be betimi manage minor condition. But wo no o basis na na say de wo hia ne more no e medicine, surgery, pharmacology. Ye kasa medicine na anything. Ye kasa medicine na e bia wa adwen be o say okwakusua medicine ya about drugs. Medicine no in nursing school and answer in health no e about condition. You are going to learn about how condition occurs. E bia yale we say kwan fa so ba ye niema e fa so mane ba. You are going to learn the causes, the pathophysiology. Ye kasa pathophysiology e kwan pathogenesis ekwanya yale ne shase e fa so ba ye. You will learn all of that. We sua nya robeble about medicine no. Ye kasa surgery no. Ye kasa surgery bi anim about operation so de munim na eno no deal with theater more. Nti eno no ya about theater cases ene ma no. Ene ye kasa pharmacology ene ya about drugs no. Nti wo no be sua drugs no more as a general nurse no. To be sua medicine, surgery, pharmacology. Na no na boa bie wa dwumu ye. Said e me kan ye no. After 3 years no. Nursing and Midwifery Council ebe so wa hwe. Ombe so wa hwe say ampa enema na wo so osua no wo sua ate ase ya. Into better final exams be your friend no. Ana your friend licensure exams. And I said Nursing and Midwifery Council exams. Sa exams no say net here. Your medicine and only a subject on its own. Better home exams. Your surgery and also no better home exams. And now your ba could be a friend of practicals. Practicals no Nursing and Midwifery Council. The examiners beba no ma be hwe also for practicals no enti eno no omdo be ko hospital ni ama procedure wo ye na ye hwe na omukura markings no mark e betimi ama be to say wound dressing nye no answer wo dress say the amanfo hu say ye dress nye no it entails a lot enti wound dressing no be say we wo hwe we ye no the mark. And I said, be to say bed bath, be a patient, beat the whole want means or no quack with jarring. And also your procedures, your fossil a yellow. And you know, oh, yes, I didn't know or no market. And on air practicals. Into practicals, you never be acquire a fossil mix injection drug, no, Nina, acquire a fossil mix drug, no, acquire a fossil self medication. Nina or procedure fossil and tea. Every hour the Bema say, yes, I did. Oh, yeah, no, I have no market. What we are practicals now, we are about this, your friend of care study. Now, care study, no, so no. And no, Obeko Hospital, no, I patient. What yali bit to say be a diabetes, HIV, hypertension, malaria, any other condition. Obeko for condition back. For condition now. No one nurse patient no. Obe nurse patient no. I will say take it 7 days to 1 month. Sorry, within 7 days to 1 month. on a patient now within 7 days to 1 month. To bet me a nurse or dear 7 days. To bet me a nurse in a dear 2 weeks. And to know what we are now, one nurse, who nurse patient, and I will take some information. Who we are not about a book and your friend a care study. Be a book be a son, a cassia basic. The thickness, no, not just a son. Book no contain patient no information na condition no our study no patient no. Book no contain condition no literature obe pick your free book no now they are to patient no ho de na say yampa to be yesa obenya in-depth research no na empanfo every NMC aba am aba be assess wa he say conditional file no yampa sa what ase a enti no exams are better no final year na wanya licenses no medicine, surgery, general paper, practicals, and care study 5. Into we now pass here, not just when your licenses now, not be practicing as a nurse. It's near friend be rotation. Among for friend service, national service, but in nurse and India, your friend of rotation. 1 year. A mandatory na we school na how nya licenses na oba be sa 1 year mandatory national service we national service na ban no apost atu ba bia be kwa akoya adwuma obi bisa me say nurse fort na fie che entesa sesia na under this administration no aban no post o mon tentem. See, America said last batch omu fie no omu school 2019. Last batch of nurses omu fie no omu school 2019. Not just omu na last batch 2024 no omu fie no omu school on ba be your service. Enti ye hope say 2019 for no aban be post o maybe a September and I say ayile wa next year April. Enti no basically no we a registered general nurse. Among force edin enye din. Ukwa no anso bayero no osuade. Na me registered general nurse. Na me te se wa me kona bomuhun kakra. Nanso me wura mu no. Na me hunu se ade apesa wo ye ndie na wo se wo ye. Nyame adom mafam. Enti wo so wo ya applicant. Na se bibi bo hu a e ma bibia mo hu. Se de me mafam no. Me na me nima de ense na wo ebia wo no abense na me enti no me hye onkran se wonso no betimi aye se de metimi aye no wonso betimi aye e ma bibia mu abam sesia enche after this video no ye be kire mo technicalities wo be fa so asele wo nursing school enti wo ye new viewer and also we old viewer and also won subscribe to our channel now me encourage you so be subscribe to our channel no near more updates. Ebia registered general nurse what we ebia why a registered general nurse we person to school so as a diploma registered general nurse o person ko degree 2 years not just o ko degree for registered general nurse 2 years ebia person ko physician assistant and also no 3 years not just registered general nurse na ba be foundation ubetimi a build ho empo abe medical doctor enti no we registered general nurse mu ho abonfia me ye nurse minim akukudam fo bebla wo pass into nursing hospital no nurse doctor or medical doctor or no we nurse we registered general nurse nyame adom ototo no school so sa si aba be medical doctor enti no nurse na nyadin but nurse no sa bro e ma kwa da sector nurse ni bie kwan ma enti no person we nurse a fanigie e bla be nurse. Our next video no we are going to focus on how you can pass the interview. Our next video we are going to focus on how you can pass the interview and come out successfully. So if today is your first time on this channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more updates. We are also waiting for all your questions which are bothering your mind. questions which are bothering your mind? And now, which is bothering your mind?
Yeah, which question there? Which is the question? Question. Question.
Me the essence of something for animal.
Questions are questions.
You are welcome with all your questions. Any question that is bothering your mind, you can kindly